Okay, in this video, we want to solve this limit right here. And in the description box of this video, there are two playlists. One playlist has specific categorized problems for limits, and the other playlist has uncategorized, just random problems. So depending on your situation, you might find either playlist more useful. So let's begin this problem. Now, first, I always like to just plug in to see if direct substitution works. If I put a 2 here, I get 1/2 minus 1/2, I get 0. That's a red flag that this probably won't work. Likewise, 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 squared is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0, so I get 0 divided by 0. So again, big red flag that we have to approach this problem differently. So one thing that I could do is try to get common denominator. So here I have an x, here I have a 2, so let's try to kind of rearrange this a bit. So let's say we have the limit as x approaches 2, and for this piece right here, let's get a common denominator of 2x. If we do that, then this piece should be 2, and this piece should be x. So we're going to get 2 minus x divided by 2x, close parentheses, divided by this piece here. Now, if you notice with this piece, we have an x and an x squared, so we could factor out an x. By doing that, we get x times what is 2x, so 2, x times what is x squared, so minus x. Now, this piece does not have a denominator, so we could just say divided by 1. At this point, we can rearrange this. So fraction divided by a fraction is something you might have learned during like pre-algebra or maybe during algebra 1. And whenever we have that, we can just flip it. I'll show you what I mean by that. So we're going to have 2 minus x divided by 2x. That part is identical. Times, now we flip. So the 1 will go on top, and then on the bottom, denominator would be x parentheses 2 minus x. At this point, we see something special. We have a 2 minus x here, a 2 minus x here, so it cancels out. And now we can rewrite this. So we'll have the limit as x approaches 2 for 1 divided by 2 times x, so 2x squared. Here we can plug in. We will get 1 divided by 2 parentheses 2 squared. 2 squared is 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8, so we get 1 over 8. This right here is our final answer. And that's all we need to do for this problem.